Hello, Java beginners and learners. Welcome to Java Home uh, YouTube channel, where you can learn Java concepts in a very easy manner, in a very easy ways, and you will be made comfortable in Java, and you can also make yourself expertise by using these Java concepts. Let's begin today's session on Java introduction and also the available applications in Java. As you know, all Sun Microsystems introduced Java in the year of 1995, and James Gosling, who is known as father of Java. Unlike other languages, Java has no abbreviation. If you spell HTML, it has its own abbreviation like hypertext markup language. And if you see COBOL, common business oriented language, and AI, artificial intelligence. And what about Java, JAVA? Yes, there is no, it's not an acronym, and it's just a name. There is no abbreviation for it. And you know why people are crazy about Java? Because of its importance, right? So we have few um, features like let us discuss few features of Java. Like Java is open source, right? Open source means when you install the JDK, you get the source code as well. You can see the source code. And Java is free software. Softwares are available in two ways. One is proprietary software, and another one is free software. For proprietary software, we need to pay some money and get license. What about free software? We no need to pay any money. It's for free. And Java is most familiar because of its platform independent. Um, a Java program is compiled on one machine, and the same compiled dot class can be used to execute it in other machine, right? That's platform independent. See, the other important thing is Java is object-oriented program, right? So suppose there are some principles like polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, right? So all those things. Um, Nowadays, Java is everywhere. Most of the people are learning Java, right? It is very easy to learn it. And the most important thing, those who learn already C++, they can learn Java very easy. But it's not a mandatory to learn Java. Okay. And now see what was given from Sun Microsystems, right? There are three modules, namely Java SE, which is also known as J2SE, Java EE, which is also known as J2EE, Java ME, also known as J2ME. Java is, if you see Java SE, Java Standard Edition. So if you see this module, right, we can develop all standalone applications, right? So when you develop those standalone applications, the program will run inside one machine, and there is no need of a server to deploy or something else. And if you see Java EE, Java Enterprise Edition, so enterprise in with the help of Java Enterprise Edition, we can develop web applications, enterprise applications, distributed applications. We can see what's the difference between all these things in coming sessions. So here, all these applications need servers. So where we need to deploy these applications, so we need servers over here. And the one Java ME stands for Java Micro Edition, or most people are using this as Java Mobile Edition. So which is there to develop mobile applications, right? Now, let's see the various applications we can develop using Java, right? On my screen, you can see, right? These are the modules available in Java. And if you see the first one, it is a standalone application. So, you know JDK, right? Java Development Kit. With the help of that, one can develop Java programs. So, where the classes and interfaces are available, if you open this path, right, program files below here, we have this path. There you can find this rt.jar. Inside that, jar is a Java archive where all .class files will be zipped. Okay, all packages inside that packages you can see classes and interfaces. So using this rt.jar, we can write standalone programs. So and the environment is JDK itself, no nothing else, right? Then we have another application called static applications. These application can be developed using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You know, we can also say these HTML, CSS, JavaScript as front-end technologies, right? Here it is Java. It is part of Java developer and it is part of UI developer, user interface developer. Okay, and to execute these static applications, we need any browser like Chrome, IE, right? So using browsers, we can execute them. That is the environment for these static applications. And if you see, we have other type of application like JDBC application. So in order to develop JDBC application, that means using the JDBC stands for Java database connection, right? So there are some classes and interfaces are given as part of this API. We need to use the respective database jar file. Okay, so here we need to take the help of JDK and JDBC API, right? And this jar file. Okay, so here Java application will interact with the database. The database like examples Arc, DB2, MySQL, Postgres, right? So this application can be run JDK itself. So since we add all respective jars in our program project, so it will be executed on JDK. And if you come to dynamic web application, right, we can develop various types of web applications. So these are actually to develop web application, we need server-side technologies like Servlet API, JSPs like that. Okay, so the basic way to develop server-side web application, so that is using Servlet API and JDK. JDK is everywhere except this static application. JDK is everywhere. So we need Servlet API or and after creating this Servlet class, right? So we need to deploy inside the server. We need a server software here. Okay, web or application server we need where we need to deploy this application. Uh, Here we can only use a Servlet API. Okay, now see, we can also develop web applications using front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? And Servlet API. This is Java program, and this is front-end technology. So from this, the request response, right? So we'll go there and it will again interact with that front end. And if you see the next one, see here. So this is Servlet. So Servlet can also interact with the JDBC. So you can also say here Servlet. Mm, Let me put this way. This is Servlet API. Servlet. Okay, fine. So this Servlet API will interact with the database, and for this also we need JDBC, Servlet plus JDBC API. Here we use the respective jar files. If it is Oracle related jar file, MySQL related jar file, where we see all respective classes and interfaces. And the most popular one is this one. The entire thing will be web application, right? All web application need this one. So this is the front end technology, and this is the um, business logic, right? Backend business logic will be executed inside the servlet, and this is the database layer. So here request comes from front-end technology, and here the business logic will get executed, and the result will be saved inside database. Or else from the database, the data will come to servlet, and from there the data will be displayed in the front-end technologies. So like this, it is a three-tile architecture, okay, and this is two-tier, and this is also two-tier. So like this, we can develop two-tier and three-tier applications using Java, right? Hope this will very helpful for you. So uh, let's wind up this session and see here we have just architecture or high-level design is there. In our next session, we will develop all application with the help of code so that you can understand very well, right? Hope this information is will help you a lot while developing your programs. So my humble request is please share your comments to enhance the quality of this Java training. Okay, by a like or dislike. Just if you keep the comments so that I can understand and will try to enhance the quality of the um, concepts. So please keep watching this Java Home YouTube channel, and please subscribe this channel and get latest information in coming sessions. Thank you one and all, and happy learning. Thank you.